Hey everyone, we just got back here from the Magic Kingdom. We got in earlier today. Our rooms weren't quite ready yet, and I think some of you saw some of my pictures we posted from club level here at Disney's Contemporary Resort. So we just got back to the room, and I wanted to take a minute and share this room with everybody just because it blew me away as to what we were getting here. Just take a look. I'll take you on a tour of the room here and you can see for yourselves. So we'll start here. You can see as you walk in the door, to your left, you'll see the bathroom. You have a nice big double sink here with all the nice Disney H2O products there. Shower. Same thing, the H2O products. And then turning here, you'll see the water closet, which is really nice. It has its own little barn door here to give you some privacy. Towel rack. And then out here on the other side, you have your Keurig. Below that, in the cabinet, you have the refrigerator, nice mini fridge. But what's awesome about this room that I found is the wardrobes and all the space for all of the clothing that you brought. Probably too much luggage on the trip, but you never know when you might need it. And then this is the second cabinet here, and that includes your room safe, iron, robes, which is nice. But what's really cool is just the room itself and how big it is. You have a double queen here, and then turning to the left, you're going to see a nice workstation, dresser, just a nice place to work and still relax while you're on vacation, because some of us still have to do that. TV, right now we just have the park hours, park information up. And then the sofa is actually a pull-out queen bed, which is really nice. But the coolest part of this hotel in this room is over here when you look out on the balcony. And if you look over to your right, you can kind of see Epcot Center way out there. There's Spaceship Earth. And then over here, you can just see Orlando, just the skyline, just an awesome view, Bay Lake Tower. And then down below, they have the nightly movie going on. The marina over there, we can get your water transportation and your pool. But all in all, just an awesome room, awesome hotel. I'm just blown away by it. It's bigger than any hotel room I've stayed in, well, except for the Hard Rock last night, but it's just, I'd say this is even nicer than that for us, for our needs. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with everybody. Thanks for joining us. I saw Steve and Josie. Hi. But thanks for stopping in. If you have any questions about these rooms or Disney trips or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me, or I can get you in touch with any of the travel agents at the Magic for Less. But again, thanks for stopping in. Hope you enjoyed the room tour. We'll catch you later.